since we're all spending more time at home and the libraries aren't necessarily open to the public, it can be more difficult to get the books that you want to read. However, you can access a huge catalog of ebooks and audiobooks right from your own device, from a computer, from a smartphone, from a tablet. Anywhere you have an internet connection, you can basically start reading. A great place to start is the Libby app. So Libby is created by Overdrive. It's the company that houses all of the different ebooks and audiobooks that are available through Heights Libraries and the CleveNet Consortium overall. So if you're ready to get started with Libby, you can go to your device's app store. So here on an iPad or an iPhone, we would go to the app store, that capital letter A. If you're on an Android device, you would head to the Google Play Store. Once we're in our app store, we will go ahead and search for Libby, that's Libby. And if we search, you may see that it's listed as Libby by Overdrive. That's the correct one. And since I already have this app on my iPad today, it just has an open option. If you haven't installed the app in the past, then you'll see something that says Get, similar to what we see down here with the Amazon Kindle app. Get means it's completely free. Libby is completely free to use with your library card, so no worries about charges. I'll go ahead and tap on Open, though, to actually open up Libby. So the very first time that you open up Libby, there is a little bit of setup. Now, the nice thing about Libby is it will remember your library card moving forward, so it will prompt you, it'll move you through a number of questions, starting out with, do you have a library card? If you don't, that's totally okay. Libby has a temporary library card system that you can set up with a cell phone number, so you can still get access to books, even if you can't physically come into the library and get a card right now. But in my case, I do have a library card, so I'll say yes. If you've used Libby on other devices, you can copy information over, but we're starting from scratch. This is the first time we're using Libby. So instead, let's play a little game with Libby and we'll have it guess our library. It may ask you at this point to turn on location services just to figure out where you physically are. And it guessed right. It guessed that I am at Cleveland Heights University Heights Public Library. That's my preferred library, and it's part of the CleveNet system. So I can go, yes, this is my library. If you get something different, you can always go to No, Keep Looking, and it'll recommend other libraries in your area. Now, if you don't want to bother with that, you can always search for a library. Sometimes it's easiest just to search by your zip code. And it found that, okay, here is CleveNet. That's the system we want to use. So I'll tap on that. And we're ready to enter our library card details. So I'll tap on Enter Library Account Details. This is the time where you need to pull out your library card number and also know your PIN. Your PIN defaults to the last 4 digits of your phone number. If you have any questions, you can always call the library and we can try and reset that PIN too. And once we've entered our library card number and PIN, we can go to Next, and we're in. We're ready to start searching for books. For more information about how to look for books, all the different varieties of things available through Libby, you can check out our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching.